Today I'm gonna be going viral on TikTok again. Right now I'm sitting at 8,600 followers, but I want to be at 10K. It'll be easy. I've done it before. I can do it again. You need a notebook. You should type it on your notes in your phone, but it's not gonna work if you do that. You need a notebook. In here I just sort of write down my ideas and then I'll remember when I'm shooting it. I'm gonna shoot all these TikToks today. It's like 5 of them. And then I'll upload one each day starting tomorrow. And so by Friday, I should have all the results in. And I should be viral by Friday. And that's when I'll upload the YouTube video. Dummy, why would you do that? You're okay or no? I think it's okay if you're okay. What you doing? It's the most thinks he's a dog. Goodness gracious. Okay, bye-bye. Yes, I'll be back in a little bit, okay? What are you looking at? Okay, bye-bye. Look at how scary it is out here. Look, there's thunder out there and noises everywhere, and but look at how good it looks before you step in. Are you looking at it? Okay, bye-bye. I think it's okay if you put your seatbelt on. There you go. Wash your hand. There you go. There you go. Here you go. You can sit on the book. There you go. I just put a whole $10 of gas, but that's not the point. The point is that it's scary getting gas at night. I think I need to get on that. That would honestly make me feel a lot safer. Cause I don't know, I just feel like someone's gonna come knocking me out and take my car or something. It's such an easy car to rob, to steal. I think. I don't know. Why would I know if it's easy or not? But okay, bye-bye. I think it's okay if we go get ice cream first to calm me down, cause this is not okay. I am. Like, what are you doing? Why are you backing up? Jeez Louise. Yeah, like, what's this guy doing? Is he gonna put gas? I just need to go get some ice cream. Never mind, there's too many people here. I'm not gonna wait in that 20-minute long line. I'll just be brave and go without my ice cream. Jeez Louise. Why is there so many people here? Actually, this is not that bad. This one time in Vegas, there was like, we went to Cane's, and goodness gracious guys, there was like 40 people in line. There was like 3 lines of cars. I don't think that's okay. I'd never seen such a thing, but oh my goodness, what is this? Is this a car? Jesus Christ. Oh, there's people there. Oh, I didn't even see them. What am I doing? I gotta get out of here now. Fuck. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so we're here where I'm gonna shoot the videos, but once again, this is very scary. Luckily, I got it towards where this is the only entrance up, so if someone comes up here, I'll skedaddle into the car, and I'm out. Look at how peaceful it looks down there. And y'all hear those animals? Those bugs? That sounds like that anime sound. I don't know what they're called, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Goodness, look at all those little cars down there. Okay, bye-bye. I don't like this spot. I'm gonna park over there. I'm gonna reverse into right there, cause I don't like this spot. It smells like gas, a lot of gas. Maybe I should go over there. Would that be safer? I don't know. I'm just gonna go right here. Okay, I like it here better because I can see if anybody comes up over here, and I can skedaddle very fast. I don't know. I have to pee again. Okay, that was the one. That was the Joey Diaz one, the notebook one. I like it. I mean, it didn't come out perfect, but I'm not gonna be here all night. It's scary out here. It'd be nice if I could get the car down there. That's far away. You gotta drive all the way down and come up a separate way. But that'd be so nice. How would I get up here? Look, if you fall, you die. I'm not trying to die yet. Well, I like it here. It's peaceful. I don't like it up here. I'm gonna go right there inside. It looks cool. It has like double lights on the ceiling. I'll show you. Right here. I like it here because I can see if anybody's coming up. So right there. and nobody's gonna come from over here because I was just up there and it's empty. I'm done with the garage now, but I want to go check out one more spot before I go home. I don't know where. I'm just gonna go drive around and find one more spot. This is nice, but I can't find where to park. I found some parking over there, but I don't know how to use a parking meter. Do you pay first or do you pay later? Or do you even have to pay if it's this late? I don't know. Like right here. No. Is there also over here parking? Does it look like I'm from New York? Why would I know how to use a like that? I don't know how to use parking meters. Goodness gracious. Okay, last spot is gonna be right here. I'm gonna be sitting on here. It's gonna look nice. Just wait or don't wait. It's gonna be like right like this. I think it's okay. Okay, bye bye. I don't know. I didn't like it. Instead, I'm gonna park the car right here, facing the tree. I think it's gonna come out nice. Look, look at this. Goodness gracious. I think it's okay if we watch. This is nature. I don't know what it killed, but good job, Mr. Spider. Has a big butt. What you're doing? I think it's okay if you chomp. You're chomping or no? It's almost chompers. Okay, bye bye, Mr. Spider. Thank you for the interview. And now my battery is gonna run out because I took the keys out. What is wrong with you? Okay, bye bye. Right here, it's gonna look nice. It's a little uneven, but I think it's okay. I'll make it work. Now watching? Okay, look. I don't know. It looks better on the phone. Okay, bye bye. Okay, I think it's okay if I go home now because I have to pee and it's hot. And I have to pee and it's hot. Oh my gosh, shut up. Do y'all see that sign right yonder in the middle? Right there? Fuck, wrong way. That one right there? Let me see if I can pause a little bit. Fuck, y'all see that? Fuck, oh, I took off in second. Anyways, is that not supposed to be yellow? Or am I colorblind? So it's Friday now, and we have the results in. I think it's okay, true, if I just go ahead and say that we failed it pretty successfully, because I didn't hit 10K followers, and I didn't go viral, but I still had fun. And that's all that matters. All that matters. Nothing else matters. At least I had fun. Let's start off with Joey Diaz. I think it didn't go viral because I saw it differently in my head. People didn't understand it. I thought they would have understood it, but they didn't. And then this one right here, look, almost went viral. It might still go viral. I don't know. Look, let's watch it. It got 3K likes, 300 comments. It did pretty okay. This one didn't go viral. Let's look at this one. 1,800 likes, 87 comments, and a lot of nice comments on this one. This one did bad, and then this one, I just posted this one today.
Oh my god, I have to make a video on this. So this guy is selling his 2008 Nissan 350Z. He's got twin turbos, but it is a stock engine. First of all, he wants $32,000 for it. I don't care how much money you put into your 350Z, no 350Z is going to sell for $30,000. The craziest part about this post is this comment right here. He'll consider trade for a red or black C6 Z06 plus cash on their side. A good deal on a Z06 is 40 grand on a clean Z06 plus cash on their end. This has to be a joke. This has to be going over my head. The C6 Z06 has been my dream car for a very long time for now. And I've watched the market for a very long time because I've been interested in getting one. If you get a C6 Z06 for 40K that's clean, low miles, you're doing really well. But plus cash on their end? You're insane. Now, I'm not hating on this guy at all. It's a clean build. A Z06 plus cash on their end is just absolutely ridiculous.
This one might still go viral. I don't know. It's doing pretty good. I just posted it 4 hours ago or 5 hours ago. 4.5 hours ago, and it's still getting promoted a little bit, not too much, but that's what TikTok does. It'll promote my videos to 300 views for free every time I get 300 views, and then after that, if it does well in those 300 views, they'll bump me up to 1,500 and see how people react to it. If people are reacting good to it, then I'll get bumped up to 6K, and that's where I'm at right now. If I break the 6K, then it might go viral, but I don't know. It might get stuck at 8K like these two down here. And then this one was doing good, but then it just stopped at 23K. But I don't know, I have a good feeling about this one. But okay, so I failed it successfully because I'm proud of what I did, which is I just had fun. But okay, bye bye.